This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Always On Top in the VLC Media Player. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have the VLC Media Player opened up. If you want the VLC Media Player to remain always on top of other windows, or if you want to turn that feature off, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to where it says View, click on View, and right here, Always on Top. You can see mine has a check mark next to it. I have Always on Top enabled. If I want to disable it, I'll just click on it. Now if I go back to View, Always on Top, that feature is turned off now. And if I want to enable it, all I got to do is click on it. That is how to enable or disable the Always on Top feature in the VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching.